And then what other colors that?
Hey, you can make a fancy gnome. What about pink?
I'm gonna put like 3 beads on it. It's really cool, but this is not dry, but it's not runny. So it stay in really a nice, like right there. So it doesn't go anywhere until you are going to key it. Just in case you like, oh my gosh, I need to adjusting it. You can just pick up your bead and move it and repeat it again. You're gonna add some and then we'll go from there. And you don't need any other solution at all. Thanks so much for tuning in, chilling with me. Let's see how this pink is gonna turn out.
So yes, if you see a lot of comments, if you simply tap on the top end of the comment, it will hide most of it. So you will have the full screen dedicated to the design.
Hey Dawn from YouTube, thanks so much for tuning in. For making a Christmas gnome. Just really cool and interesting, and I always look like she or he's like really cool. And that's really cool though. You can see that how I can adjusting it without messing it. They're not runny, smushy or anything. Oh, a little glitter get in there. And then I think it's cool that you can custom your own gnome the way you wanted it. You can add a lot of more things on. Make the cool. And then keep in mind, if you don't want it to get messed up, it's not going to get messed up at all. Like you can see that it's not running anywhere. So you have all the time. Got a little top. So then we can make it like a little pom-pom right there. You can do your 40 pom-pom here, or you can get the crystal there.
Hey Don, so we are using our 40 gel. And if you like to grab some, the Black Friday sales is still going on all the way until Monday.
Cyber Monday, as long as the supply lasts.
As long as we have stock, we will ship it to you.
And then you can make it like her head is tall as you want to, like all the way up here you want to, doesn't matter. All right, so I'm gonna get some pink, and you can do however you want. It's just me chillin' and get an idea of my gnome, but you can dress however you want for your gnome. How do you say gnome?
No.
You can have her pom-pom big as you want, small, or however you want. Again, 3D brush. It's not really I talk a lot, it's just time I'm just so fascinating because I'm so excited I can do this. Only I need is just this 3D brush, and then you haven't done it, haven't keyed anything yet, so it's still really like nice and it's not runny, also is not hard. So look at that. I go back and adjust however you want and make it perfect. This is good for someone have the clients or yourself doing is like a Christmas color in pink. And then you can just change his like outfit. Pink, red, blue, yellow, however you want. Okay. So I'm gonna get his her little, what is her little feet right
Little
there?
feet.
Pink. And then you just need to two. And it's really cool because each bead you do, if you don't feel like, oh my god, there's smaller beads, I need more, add some more. You don't have to settle with this because you can get some more of your 40 gel and it's not dry at all. It's not runny. Close this. I'm gonna do one at a time. Do this one first. And then we're gonna do her hand holding the gift. Okay. Little. You know what? It can be her though because she said the all the beer right here. Right here.
Yeah, that's right.
Can
The
dress.
bear is always long.
I mean that you can dress him the way you want it. Pink. Oh, hold on. I have this two bead right there. And then I want to take advantage from it. It's still really nice and wet. I'm gonna place a heart right there and give it a really a good press down, so then it's anchored right in the 40 gel. It's gonna hold down your crystal nicely. And I'll pick the beads that I did earlier. Where's that? Maybe I'll get the smaller side. I'll divide in half. It is tiny, it's just like a dot. Making his hand holding a little heart. And I haven't cured anything yet. You can definitely cure. Okay. I'm gonna just brush it and make sure his nose is really nice and big. So like here. That's it. Maybe we can do a little snowflake.